Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about brand registry issue, how we can assign manage selling roles in brand registry. So I will share two example with you guys when you need to when you face these issues and how you can resolve these issues. Usually, what happening whenever we register in brand registry, uh, let's say for example, for one of our client recently has faced issue in UK market. They have done brand registry in the UK marketplace, but they are trying to list the product in the US marketplace. Both are different regions, and as we know, in the seller centrals, every region has a different merchant token ID. So for the UK, there is a different merchant token ID, and for the US, there is a different merchant token ID. And for this client, when they did brand registry in the UK, they have merchant token ID assigned with brand history in the UK only, but they are planning to list in the US. And when we head over to the US, we try to list the product, but we found brand issues over there. We do not have a brand registered there. That's the issue we face over there. So we went ahead and we assigned their selling roles in the brand registry. We connected their merchant token ID, US merchant token ID in the brand registry that allow us to list their product in US as well. Similarly, one of our client a few months ago has faced the same issue in the European marketplace in the Germany when we were extending their marketplaces from US. They have brand registry in the US, and then they we tried this, we faced the same issue. And the same way we connected the Europe merchant token ID in the brand history. We assigned selling roles, and right after that, we were able to list the products. And right now, we are certainly facing for one of another brand issues. Uh, Same issues we have been trying, and Amazon gave us these options that we need to assign selling roles of in brand registry, then we will be able to use the brand. Okay, the brand is already registered, but we are not seeing any. But when we try to list the product, we are saying it brand is restricted. We cannot use it. It's because it was not connected to the seller central account. It is only registered in the brand registry. Okay, so what we need to do is to fix this issue. We need to go into brand registry and we need to log in, and then we need to go into manage, and here we will see manage selling roles. And then if we will go to manage selling roles, and in the manage solution we can see seller central accounts connected account. There are no account is connected yet. So that is why we were unable to list the product. So we will click on correct a selling partner account. Okay, we which one we want. We are connected, wanted to connect seller central account. Okay, so we will use this. If you wanted to connect vendor, you will use that. We are right. In my case, it's seller central account. So I need to assign this as a brand representative because we are the brand owner. So I will assign this. Okay, so I will go down and I will see seller central selling account. Okay, we will see here. We this is showing only the North American region because in our case we have only these marketplace opens. That's why only these showing. If in your case Europe marketplaces are also open, you will see those marketplace as well, and then in this way you can connect all the region that you have available. So in our case, we will be connected only is North America. So we will choose this, and then we will select the brand that we wanted to assign, and this way we will have it, and then we need to just confirm. I confirm that, and then connect selling partner account. Okay, confirm changes. Okay, the permissions have been changed and it's applied. Okay, now I can see successfully connected your account as a brand representative. So it has been connected, the brand. So that's how you can connect it.